Now, let's talk about the trigeminal pathway. Now, we were able to establish that, okay, let me identify this structure. This is actually the cortex. This is the cortex. This is the midbrain. Here is the midbrain. This structure here is known as the thalamus. This is known as trigeminal lemniscus. That's trigeminal lemniscus. This is cerebellum. This is pons. This pons. This is known as the medulla. This is spinal cord. This is known as trigeminal ganglion. Trigeminal ganglion. These are the division of the trigeminal ganglion V1, V2, and the V3. This is known as trigeminal tract. This is known as trigeminal cerebellar tract. Right? This is known as the superior cerebellar peduncle. This is the midline. Now, we were able to establish that in the middle cranial fossa, the petrous part of the temporal bone, we have the trigeminal ganglion, which has three divisions: the V1, the V2, and the V3. Like we said earlier on, the V1 is known as the ophthalmic division. Ophthalmic division. Ophthalmic division. The second one, V2, is known as maxillary division. And then V3 is known as mandibular division. Now, these sensory divisions actually arises from the trigeminal ganglion. The trigeminal ganglion has what we call the trigeminal roots. The trigeminal roots are actually the central processes of the neurons that are located in the trigeminal ganglion. They go down to the pons. And when they reach the pons, they divide into ascending and descending branches. The ascending branches goes to what is referred to as the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Now, the mesencephalic nucleus, let me denote it as M. The mesencephalic nucleus is actually located in the mesencephalon, which is of course the midbrain. And then the descending fibers actually goes down to the principal sensory pontine nucleus, and then also goes down to the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Now, fibers that arises from the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve actually passes through what is referred to as the superior cerebellar peduncle and enters the cerebellum and goes where? Where does it go? It goes to the spinal cerebellum. It goes to the spinal cerebellum, and of course it carries the information that has to do with proprioception. Now, the fibers arising from the principal sensory pontine nucleus and fibers that are arising from the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, they cross, majority of the fibers actually cross the midline and goes to the contralateral side, ascend upward as the trigeminal lemniscus and go to the thalamus. Now these are thalamus. This is the thalamus. Now in the thalamus, they actually synapse with what we call the VPN. The VPN. What is VPN? VPN means the ventral posteromedial nucleus. Right? The ventral posteromedial nucleus. So it synapses with the ventral posteromedial nucleus of the thalamus, and then of course it passes through the superior radiation of the thalamus, or the superior thalamic radiation, and passes through what is called the posterior limb of the thalamus capsule and goes to the postcentral gyrus of the cerebral cortex. The postcentral gyrus of the cerebral cortex is known as area 3. 1 and 2 in the Brodmann's classification. So the function of the trigeminal pathway is that it carries information that has to do with touch, pressure, temperature, and proprioception. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in our next class. Thank you.